Ecolo Spark. This one's popular. Should have gotten it in sooner. Let's do a walk around. Good turning radius. $89.95. 60 volt, 45 amp hour lead acid batteries. So you're gonna get about 50, maybe 60 kilometers per charge. But if you're looking for an enclosed mobility scooter that has tons of leg room, this is it. This is it. It comes with the onboard charger, kind of neat. So you just open it up. Still a 110, you just plug this into any of your household plug. The door opens really nice and wide, so getting things into the back seat. I don't think the back seat's really huge to get people in there, but it's certainly convenient to get stuff in. It's not as refined as you will find with the Connect or the Nexa. When I say refined, I just mean lines and stuff, right? Like your handles aren't color coded, your hinges are quite large, your gaps are a little bigger. You know, it's just a little bit more angly. That's a word, angly. It's got more angles to it, but it's about function and space. You can get this in red or blue, and you can get it with steering wheel or handlebars if you want. There's no price difference, but it does not have air conditioning and you can't get it. So what are these? Kind of nifty. You can lock it or unlock it with a key, just a card. That's kind of neat. Gives you 3 of them. That's nice. Power windows, power locks. I also actually really like that the footwell is completely open in this. This is nice and wide open. There's your charger right there. I guess you could store stuff in there, but that's what I mean, like refinement. Who cares? You want to be able to fit in it. So you got a little bit of gap. If you're somebody who, you know, has the seat all the way back, you're going to see that. That's all the way forward. Okay. They all fundamentally work the same.
Your handbrake on the Spark, when it goes down, it seems like it only goes down so far, but it will not engage unless you actually put it right down as far as it can go, which is basically touching the floor. And the second thing is actually a foot lock where you can put your foot there, and there's a red ball where you can go down and lock your brake.
So unlock, put your foot on the brake. We're gonna start it with your, a little lower there, but that's okay. Nice big screen. Okay, I love it. It says your voltage. If this is fully charged, this is gonna be at about 72 volts, right? And as you get down, neutral, reverse, you have your backup camera, which is nice. Your fan, that's gonna be your heat. Oh, there's already heat coming over here, so that's really nice. No, nothing down here. So your heat's only coming through here, like this. Why is, that's just fake. It's just fake. All right, so we'll turn that off. I would like to show you your wipers. See how they're like on your wiper? They don't come out. High, low, off. And then you have your signals. Oh, I love that. When you turn, like your car, it turns the signal off for you. I like that. Small things, right? So signals, and then you've got your lights. So daylight, nighttime. Sorry, can't show you those. Let's go with your radio. Tells your outside temperature, but that's a lie. It is not 18 degrees, right? Nothing's perfect, but it's not 18 degrees. I can tell you that. There we go. Let's see if we can get a radio station. Not looking good. No, this is with all of them. Honestly, radios just seem to be not really good. They either don't have an antenna, like we're in Mount Albert, we get radio stations, but they just, and I'm talking like Nexa, the Connect, they aren't getting it. I'm not able to get any radio stations on this, and it does not have Bluetooth. I'm going to say that you're going to have to sing to yourself in this one, because you might be able to get some radio stations where you are, but we're not getting it here. That's not to say you can't get them, but we don't have them right here. So this is not tilt. You cannot tilt that. 12-inch tires, so these are the same rims as the Connect, which is kind of nice. I would like to see the lights at night on this one. I do like the kind of the circle design that they have there, but we'll see how bright they are. They do not have fog lamps, right? So this is the lower priced unit at $89.95. There's no taxes. Cycle, all of their units are certified medical devices, so you can get some tax credit at the end of the year if you buy one of these, but you do not pay HST on them. So these are a terrific value. Let's see the power windows. Yeah, and they're double sealed. I like that too. Now these ones are 1300 watts and the Connect is 1500 watts. Is that correct? No, 1200 and 1500. It's not really a big difference. You're going to have about the same climbing ability as really anything here, but you cannot beat the overall spaciousness of these, hands down. You just can't. And again, shout out to Joe for having us bring these in. You don't have air conditioning, but they have designed the moon roofs nice so that when you are going, you know, you're going to get some nice airflow there. And then the back window opens up as well. Let's put in your reverse. Okay, so it's only one side and it's supposed to be that way. This is a European design, so it's not broken, I promise you. It's supposed to be like that. There's your little camera down there for your backup camera. Oh, I like it. We've got some lights up here. That's actually really nice. One day I'll come here in the middle of the night and turn on all the lights on everything. So doors shut pretty nicely. I like the sound of that. So yeah, well done. It's nice that we have this because you're not having to spend more money to go to a Nexa. You got lots of room. And if it's just you booting around and you're a taller person, this is definitely an excellent choice. There you go.